how to turn off restricted mode on TikTok. If you want to turn off restricted mode on TikTok, here's the tutorial. Open TikTok on your phone. Go to your profile at the bottom right and click triple line at the top right. Click Settings and Privacy. Scroll to Content Preference and click on it. Click on Restricted Mode and turn it up by click Turn Up. Enter passcode and click Next. And what is passcode? Passcode is combination number that you set if you turn on restricted mode. You must set a passcode to turn on restricted mode. So that's all the tutorial on how to turn up restricted mode on TikTok. Hopefully this is useful, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.